wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyBib Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 10 best TV mounts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Impact Mounts Plasma comes with a solid backplate and vertical brackets with holes that allow you to attach a padlock to prevent theft if it's in a public area. While it tilts smoothly, the built-in level can be a little unreliable. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and high-quality screws. However, it can be difficult to plug in cables. At number 9, with screws that drill easily into the wall, the Von Haus Ultra Slim requires only one stud for an effective installation. The entire unit feels very sturdy once it's assembled, eliminating any worries that it'll come crashing down. This one sits very close to the wall and has a load capacity of 88 pounds, but hanging the TV can be a pain. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Once installed, the positioning of the Cheetah APT MM2B can be adjusted 3 degrees either way, so that it's ideally situated for optimal viewing. It comes with a high-speed HDMI cable that features a protective jacket for long-lasting performance. It mounts to 16 or 24-inch studs and is equipped with pull tabs for an easy release. However, there's no way to hide cords. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Mount Factory Full Motion features convenient openings in the arms and backplate that provide space for organizing cables, which helps reduce clutter. The swing arm offers plenty of flexibility for adjusting the angle of the screen. It comes with a wrench and a 10-inch long HDMI cable, but it may require 2 people to set up. Moving up our list to number 6. Despite the fact that it's built like a tank, it's not very difficult to tilt, swivel, or extend the mounted premium, which is ideal if you plan on frequently adjusting viewing angles. This low-profile model will accommodate TVs that weigh up to 132 pounds. It makes it easy to access the back of the screen and is compatible with most TV brands. However, the instructions are not very clear. Halfway up our list at number 5. Available in different designs for a variety of television sizes, the adaptable Wally LCD can be mounted to brick surfaces, wooden studs, or even concrete walls. It's built with premium steel and is coated with an attractive and resilient finish. This one's designed for a one-person installation and doesn't get loose over time. It offers a maximum extension of 14 inches. At number 4, simple, affordable, and easy to install. The Amazon Basics articulating sits as close as 2.1 inches from the wall if you're trying to save space, but can extend up to 16.1 inches into the room if that enhances your viewing experience. It includes mounting hardware, a 1-year warranty, and a cable management system. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Its ability to shift laterally makes centering the Sanus flat on your wall a straightforward and painless process. Even though it's made from heavy-duty metal that won't bend or break, it weighs just 8 pounds, which makes it easy to work with. It comes in a compact design that saves space, and it's easy to attach and detach a TV. It protrudes less than 2 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, versatile and stable, the Mounting Dream MD2380 accommodates most televisions sized between 26 and 55 inches. It's built using advanced welding technology, which gives it plenty of strength. It also comes with a bonus torpedo level, which is a nice touch. It can swivel 45 degrees, and there are 2 sizes to choose from. It's built for studs with 16-inch centers. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the VideoSecu Dual is constructed to securely hold televisions 37 to 70 inches in size, and will support models that weigh up to 165 pounds. It can tilt 15 degrees and swivel side to side, which provides a customizable viewing experience. It comes with bolts and washers and an expansion kit for larger TVs. It offers a quick and simple installation. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video.